I am on a huge fish and I have no idea what it is. Probably a catfish. Oh no, it's a giant saugeye. Alright guys, welcome back to the Leaky Jon Boat Company. We are back out on the same body of water we've been for the last couple of videos. Just a little tiny crappie hole. They say there's some saugeye in here and there's some perch in here. Today we're just gonna drift and cast. The water is like super glass. There's no one out here, so I'm just gonna drift. Probably just gonna cast some little tiny crappie lures and we're gonna see what we can get into. First little fish casting. It is a tiny little crappie. He is just a baby. Go. We're gonna go back over there. That's a little bit better fish for sure. That's an alright size crappie. Crappie right by the weeds. Too small. I'm just fishing right up along these paths. A little bit different than trolling. Definitely a lot more fun. Nice bluegill. Awesome. I am on a huge fish and I have no idea what it is. It's probably a catfish. Oh no, it's a giant saugeye. Oh my god. Oh my god. First saugeye, and he took me for a run. And he is so nice. Oh my god. I can't believe I just caught him. Flipping the docks. Not even, I'm shooting the docks, really. I know there's a special regulation for this lake. That was just fun catching him. I wasn't even expecting that. I don't even think I had the camera on or anything. That is such an awesome fish. He's fat. But I just don't think I have the time to clean him today. So I'm gonna get some pictures of him. Might get a length on him real quick. He's about 17. So not huge, but definitely really nice. That is so cool. I'm gonna get this guy back in the water. He definitely does not want to be in the boat, and I am not going to eat him, so give him a little revive. Off he goes. That is my 4th species today. That is just a little tiny white bass. I'm gonna get him unhooked. Get him out of here. The species 1 of each so far. Crappie, bluegill, saugeye, and now a white bass. White perch, white bass, I'm not really sure what the difference is, but they're white, they're kind of gross. So, don't need him. Alright guys, that about wraps it up. I caught 4 different species. I think I only caught 1 of each. I might have caught 2 crappie, but getting into the saugeye was pretty cool. Not expecting a saugeye over by the boat docks, but right in the boat docks, right in the bottom, I think it was like 4 foot of water, just a little white crappie lure. So pretty good day, I guess. A little white bass too. So see you next time. Remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks guys. All sorts of fish right on the bottom. They look a little bit bigger maybe. I'm not really sure. I don't know what was right there on the bottom. So we're just kind of drift along this area and see what we can make happen.